Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching the 2 or 3 apps you plan to tile. Once done, select the first app and press Windows key plus left or right to snap it into place. This explicitly tells Windows where to put it. Make sure to avoid full-screen apps that block snapping. If you prefer mouse control, drag the Windows title bar to the left or right edge until a translucent guide appears. This initiates the split and reveals remaining windows for placement. With the first pane set, Windows shows thumbnails for the remaining space. Click one to snap it into the opposite side. For more complex layouts, hover over the Maximize button to open Snap Layouts and choose a grid like 2/3 or 4 quadrants. Once placed, drag the dividing line between windows to resize. Windows dynamically adjusts content so text and controls stay readable. If you need precise ratios, hold Shift while snapping or you finish by fine-tuning positions. Press Windows plus up or down to maximize or stack a snapped pane, or click and drag dividers to balance space. Make sure Snap Windows is enabled in Settings System Multitasking so snap features work predictably. If a window won't snap, restart File Explorer or sign out and back in to clear UI glitches. One key troubleshooting tip. Check for full screen or exclusive mode apps that block snapping and close them before reattempting placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.